How to update any graphics driver on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily update any graphics driver on your Windows. So the first thing you want to do here is check for your driver's update. Let's go ahead and search for Device Manager over here and hit Enter. Now once you have your Device Manager open, find your display adapter. Click on the drop down and find which kind of graphics driver you have. Now, in order to update it, I'll show you guys two methods. The first one is automatic, and then the second one is manual update. What I can do is just right click on it and go to update driver. I search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you should be good to go. Additionally, you can also search for updated drivers on your Windows Update. It's gonna take, it's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes, so you're gonna have to wait that time. Now, I only have an Intel's integrated graphics card, but if you have a dedicated graphics card from NVIDIA or AMD, then you can find those drivers here as well. Now let's see how you can update it manually. You're going to have to go to these links. I'll provide this in the description down below. So for Intel drivers, you can go to this link right over here, download the latest drivers over here, and then you can go for AMD. So if you're on AMD, you can download the Windows drivers from here. And then for NVIDIA, it's quite easy. You could just go ahead and search product category, and then you could just go ahead and search for other stuff as well. Now, you can just search for the model number of your graphics card driver, and it should be available here, and you can download it easily. That's basically it, guys. That's how you basically update any graphics driver on Windows. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.